So according to French TikTok creator Alinor, she says that we should be doing our makeup in relation to the contrast on our face. Let me explain.
Tell me.
So she created this filter on TikTok that it's kind of like a grayscale, and it tells you that everyone's contrast levels is either like low, medium, or high, and it's measured via the lightness of your skin versus the color of your features.
Okay. And
So-
like the darkness of your brows and
Yeah,
hair,
like
I
all
guess?
of it. Like
Okay.
I think it's mainly hair, because she compares like people who she says are low contrast, like Taylor Swift and Beyonce. They have like their features and their hair is like very similar to their skin color.
Okay.
Versus people with high contrast, who she says are Anne Hathaway, Keira Knightley. I did the filter. I think I'm high contrast as well, whose like skin color is quite different to their hair.
To the hair.
Yeah.
Is this about to be our new like color theory?
I think so.
We got obsessed with color theory, and I feel like this is it. I haven't tried it though.
You should try it. She also said there's a medium contrast, which is like in between the two. But I think the medium contrast are people she just can't place on the
I
scale.
was going to say, I can't really, even just thinking about it, I don't know where I would sit on that. I immediately thought I'd be very like
I
low
think-
contrast, but no, I've got dark hair, so maybe medium.
I think you might be medium to high.
Okay.
Okay,
Have you
I've got the app here. I kind of want you to use it so we can find out once and for all.
And this will help you with your makeup look in terms of what kind of shades you should be using. Or...
Yeah, it's so like she explains exactly what type of makeup you should be doing on your like big features versus like in comparison with the contrast of your skin.
Okay, let's
So-
do this first, and then.
Okay, put your face on there.
Whoa,
Do you look beautiful?
I look stunning. Like,
Yeah, I think you're definitely medium. Okay, so maybe
okay,
she
wait,
wasn't
should I show the
lying.
camera? I'm definitely medium because I've got darker hair, I've got lighter skin, but I've also got dark brows.
Yeah. Okay, so her theory is that, for example, if you're low contrast, so say someone whose features kind of blends in with their like hair and skin, you're meant to try to match your makeup on your features to work with the color gradient of like your hair.
Talk me through what one's what. So like
So low contrast.
low contrast. Yeah.
Think like it's mainly just blonde people, I reckon.
Okay.
So lightish skin, light hair, they want to kind of like keep the makeup to minimal
Okay.
because they already have like that look. They already have the soft look. That's
Okay.
what she, I think, wants to achieve. Medium, so you, light eyes but dark hair, light skin. You can put a bit of makeup but not too much.
Okay, that's good. I make very little effort every day, so that's great news.
And then she says high contrast people.
So you're high contrast?
I'm high contrast when I did the filter. She's like bold lip, bold eye. Because like I have like dark hair and dark thick eyebrows.
I have to say, you do look really good with a bold lip.
Yeah, you reckon?
Especially the Halloween lip that you did the other week. That was schmick. Like, you looked great.
She did say, however, that like this look could also work with people who are like, say, high contrast like myself. You could do a bold lip and then no eye makeup.
Yeah.
And that would never work for me.
Of course it will. It's
No,
just kind
I need my eyeliner.
of... Okay. I feel like it's very French beauty look.
Very French beauty look. Someone commented on her TikTok saying, unfortunately, this doesn't work for darker skin tones, which is kind of what I was thinking. I was like, especially with ethnic features, I feel like so many South Asian women like myself, like my sister, mum, cousins, like we can't go anywhere without eyeliner. Like we rely on eyeliner for everything. And then she did another video with some other celebrities with darker skin tones trying to explain. But it's really hard. Like, it's hard to just say that just because your hair is dark means that you also have to have, like, really dark eyeshadow and really bold lipstick. Like, what if I decide to go blonde?
Yeah, that's very true. And I think, yeah, it all comes down to the individual.
Yeah.
So it's really hard to kind of just place people into 3 categories and be like, this is what makeup you should wear.
You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of, remember that thing where everyone was so concerned with what color eyeshadow you should have? Like, and they were like,
Colour wheel eyeshadow
yes,
thing, yeah.
and they're like, if you have like light eyes and blue eyes, you can have like these browns and gold. And
yeah,
if you have brown
green
eyes,
purple. I tried to get away with purple for a bit. I was like, the colour wheel said purple was my thing. And
I was
just
like,
thought,
brown
"Ooh."
eyes, electric blue. And I'm like, I'm not coming into work with electric blue eyeshadow. That's insane. So I feel like that's the territory we're kind of stepping in over here. I'm like, just do you. You know what looks good on you. Just do